So guys, I'm a newbie. Although I live a country, or let me go in English. So even though I'm a country girl for years, I do not really know exactly how to raise chicken. So see me have on some old Crocs. So my partner built this little fowl coop. I'm planning to raise some chicken, and we had a larger one, but then we were doing some construction work and I was to move it, and this is the only small area I have to work with. So in time to come, I'm going to extend it. So see, we have a little door. So remember, it's a chicken coop, so it don't need to look like a palace. So it's made from old ply that we used on our building. Actually, I had these mesh for about maybe 6 years. This one that is already changing color, that get a little rusty, I have this for over 6 years. And this other one, it was bought a few months ago. So let me give you a little tour of where the little chickens will be until they are ready to go in the restaurant, etc. And oh, see, we have a little, for persons who don't know, tomato tree. This is a tomato tree. It wasn't planted here. I think some seeds just got away accidentally, and we not decide to move it any at all. So when it start bearing tomato, you'll see. I got some from another tree already, and it was wonderful. So let me show you something else. This is pine. It was recently, the pine plant, it was recently relocated here because where it was in the way of our construction work, and therefore we had to move it. So it was planted over 2 years. Here's another one, and here is another one. So it was in good planting area, but as I said before, we were doing some construction work, and we had to move it in order for the foundation to be digged. Guys, all my life of eating pineapple, I had no idea pine could take over 2 years to grow. Can you imagine planting this now and 2 years after, me still just a eat piece of pine? So I have no idea why they even sell pine so cheap, because you can get slices for $150, $200, $300. So pine is not very expensive. My partner and my son built this little nursery. We have more, but the time is not. I don't have the time right now to show everything. They built this little nursery. So my son, one of my son, he loves planting. He loves catch crop. He loves these little things. So we are going to show you what we used to water them. So I think this is tomato, pepper. I think I'm going to ask. I think sweet pepper, tomato. I planted some cucumbers myself, but it was my first time and it came to nothing. I sometimes don't even remember it. And it just dead after a while. And I really wanted to see how the cucumber comes. So we have a large coconut tree. So when the coconut leaves fall off, this is what my partner do. Him just cover it with this so it takes away the direct heat from the nursery, which is the heavy sunlight will not be good for it, and the rain. So come on this journey with me where I show you what became of the seeds, and I'm going to show you some more vegetable seeds. Meow. Put a ton over the pan. You beat me. More molasses. Yeah. Molasses make them big. Molasses make them big. See the chicken. Honey, kitchen. Kitchen. So, two of them with molasses, and then you have the big one with fresh water. Oh, these are the babies. These are 1 day old chickens, and these chickens arrived yesterday. 75. 75, yes. Then just get water, so it just kind of wet, and then will run in the water. I want to feed them. No, I'm gonna feed the chicken.